In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Figma file for others to edit. Collaborating in Figma is easiest when teammates have the right access, so by the end of this walkthrough, your collaborators will be able to jump in and make changes directly. First, open the Figma file you want to collaborate on. Make sure you have permission to invite others to it and that you have the email address they use for their Figma account. Start by clicking Share in the top right corner of the Figma window. This opens the sharing dialog for the current file. You'll see a field where you can add people and a permissions dropdown that controls what they can do. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct file, especially if you keep multiple tabs open. In the Add People field, enter the collaborator's email address. Use the address associated with their Figma login so they're recognized right away. As you type, Figma may suggest teammates from your workspace. Choose the correct contact to avoid typos. If the person is outside your team, that's fine. Figma will send them an invitation, and if they don't already have an account, they'll be prompted to set one up when they accept. Before sending the invite, change the permission next to their name to Can Edit. This is important. Can View allows only viewing, while Can Edit lets them move layers, change components, and save updates to the file. Once you've set it to Can Edit, click Invite. Figma will notify them by email and in-app, and their name will appear in the file's sharing list. They can then open the file and begin editing right away. If you don't see the Can Edit option or the Invite button is disabled, you may not have the rights to grant editor access on this file, or your team may be out of editor seats. In that case, contact a team admin or the file owner to adjust permissions or add a seat. Also remember that granting edit access gives full editing capability, so only invite people you trust with the design source. In some organizations, invites are limited to approved domains. If your collaborator's address is blocked, your admin can whitelist it or invite them on your behalf. You can always return to the same share menu to review who has access and update permissions as your project evolves. That's all you need to do. Click Share, enter their email, set Can Edit, and send the invite. With these quick steps, you'll enable smooth, real-time collaboration and keep your project moving forward.